Introducing the SL laser, supplied by CDK Stone. The SL laser is a computer-controlled laser projector system that uses a laser to outline vacuum pod positions directly onto the CNC machine. The laser will also allow you to see the tool path and CAD drawing elements on the workpiece as it is getting processed. The SL laser is available in two options, a 15mm and a 5mm laser option. You can easily use Seacon software to set out the pod positions. Our customers have found the SL laser has improved their productivity and safety. Hear how the SL laser has improved their business.
So we've been using the laser to project the image of the pod set out onto our CNCs. The vacuum pod set out is important. It has to hold the piece in position so it doesn't move while the machine's running. You need the pods to be in the right position around the cutout so that they're far enough away so they don't get hit by the tools. Also provide enough support so the piece doesn't break under its own weight. In the past we had to use the machine's own built-in laser which would travel very slowly from point to point. You could only put out one pod at a time. These days it's just one image on the bed with all the positions, all the locations, so you can do them as fast as you like. So the benefits are for the new laser is these days it's a lot faster. It just projects the image which has all the pods and we can just put them out as fast as we like. It's a lot quicker, a lot more throughput, less downtime between programs.
The SL laser is a must for all businesses looking to improve their CNC productivity. Millimetre accurate and easy to calibrate, the SL laser is perfect for accurately projecting layouts onto workpieces. Having the complete image projected onto the CNC allows for a faster and safer setup of the CNC. Contact CDK Stone today to discuss how the SL laser can improve your business's productivity.